ninda sam agna girisa. Talking bad about somebody, there is no bigger sin. I thought there are bigger sin. Why Tulsidas ji has written like this? Because we are very good in talking bad. I tell you, Mahabharata and Ramayana are based on Ninda only. Manthara did Ninda of Bhagwan Ram and Kaushalya ji, to Kekai. Shakuni did Ninda of all Pandavas, to Duryodhan and Dhritarashtra. Any house is spoiled if there is a split in the house only because somebody talks bad about somebody. If I have problem with you, I think better is I should talk with you only. Supposing I don't like something about you. What I think this is the best thing. Or you have problem with me. I think we should take time and we should talk. See, about you I didn't like this. And you can say about you I didn't like this. And let us sort the matters out. Dvesh is there. All problems, here what is attacked is Bhed Buddhi. Bhed Buddhi, understand? No. Bhed Buddhi means this person is not mine. This is separate from me. His joy and sorrow is not my joy and sorrow. Acha, tell me, somebody says something against India. Right? Lot of this is there, traffic is there. You feel hurt. Well, Saab, what is this India? Lot of dirt is there also. Anybody says, of course I will feel very hurt. Especially if non-Indian says. Why? Minus is there. जैसी भी हमारी माँ है वो. माँ, we never say she is ugly or she is old. Mother is mother. And she will be always reverential for us. And I have eaten from there. I have played in the mud of India. I have whole education was there in India. Everything I got. How can you say to my mother? Ninda is there. Intention is Bhed Buddhi is there. I tell you, after that all problems start. That person's mistake doesn't trouble us. I exclude that person from me. That troubles us. It is not in my circle. आप मान लो हमारा ही है. It's okay. Sometimes the hand has abscess out there and pus has come somewhere. Pus is there. One hand, you must have nursed sometime. You have to nurse sometime yourself only. So pus is oozing out. So you are covering that one. Covering that pus. You are wiping. You don't show this is the pus. Sadhu charit subh charit kapasu. Goswami ji says, saints are like the kapas. Kapas means cloth. Bisad gunmay phal jasu. Jo sahi dugh par chhidr durava. Bandni hi jag jas pava. Like the cloth is there. Somebody body had some mark. White mark is there or some burn mark is there. So what this will do? It will cover it up. Sadhus are like that who cover the fault of others. They have so much of oneness with everybody. And therefore they are able to bind everybody. Therefore, after one Buddha, such a big religion came out. It went to Vietnam also, it went to Sri Lanka also, it went to Cambodia also. यही डिफरेंस है. साधु चरित शुभ चरित कपासु विशद गुणमय फल जासु. That is what is called saintliness. Bhed Buddhi. When Bhed Buddhi comes, I think very bad about you all the time. And who is not having mistake? There is not a single day we don't have mistake in thinking, in talking. in what is it called? Appreciating something. Mistakes are all we are doing mistakes. We are mistake bundles. Jeev is a bundle of all mistakes we have done. I hope I am clear. Batao, ये भेद बुद्धि is not right. After that, I become very critical about you. I'll throw you. And most worst of all, your mind will be troubled. Vibhishan, when he came, Sugriva was very upset. And Vibhishan also said, I have come from there. Na dasanan karme bhrata. Bole, I'm the son of Ravan. Then he says, Vibhishan says, I think you should be just put behind the bars. Bole, why Sugriva? Bole, what is this? 10 months he didn't do anything there. And now he is coming because he is kicked, therefore he came. If he was not kicked, he would have been there only. Bhagwan Ram was a Mahatma. He is a Mahatma. There are 3 greatest Mahatmas. Bhagwan Ram, Shivji and Krishnaji. I tell you. आप पढ़ो उनके बारे में. Then you will understand what I am talking. So, Bhagwan Ram said, anyway, he has come to me. No? He has come to me. Why should I reject him? Sammukh hoye, pura karo. Okay, don't ask all of a sudden. I remember, I forgot when you said. Sammukh hoye. जीव मोहि जभी जन्म कोटि अगनासई तभी. Well, as he came, I think his sins are gone. Don't worry. He's mine. Come on, bring Vibhishan with honor. Sugriva said, okay. आप हमारे ही हो, ठीक है, हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं आपको. Bhagwan Ram went to Lanka. So he was having fruit was brought. Monkeys came, jumped and snatched all bunch of bananas and ran away. And went on that branch and dangled feet on the top of Bhagwan Ram like this. And eating and throwing all this thing here and there, something was falling on him only. Lakshmanji said, you monkey. Yeah. My bhaiya was eating and you disturbed. Eyes became red. He very seeing some people can threaten. Lakshmanji was like that. Ramji held the hand. He said, Lakshman, you see these monkeys? Well, yes. Their life is very short now. They have left their family just to fight for me. What is animal dharma? Don't apply human dharma to animal dharma. Lakshmanji's head bent down. Therefore, he is ruling in all hearts.